Hey guys, we are in St. Petersburg today. This guy, laundry room, went out of town for a week, came back and had water on the floor. Let me show you what's going on. All right guys, here's the laundry room. So this is the area where he saw the water. So let's get down here and see what we can see. So already I'm noticing some moisture right here against the baseboard. And then you can see how this baseboard is pulling off the wall. If we look up, we've got some plumbing pipes in here, so we're gonna get our equipment and see what we can find. So we got Jeremy here, we're checking the wall with the infrared camera, and we do see some moisture right there, if you can see that on the screen, in that corner. Jeremy, what are you doing?
I've got the ultrasonic machine here, listening inside of the wall. I can hear the sound of the leak. I've got this thing turned way down, and it's just screaming.
Is it? I can hear it through your headphones.
So yeah, I know it's gonna be right inside this wall. We need to cut a hole.
All right, you got it. I see a knife.
There's a knife. And I'm not afraid to use it.
So here's Jeremy's hole. He went out to get a camera that we can put in the wall. You guys can see how it's like raining inside of this wall. That's crazy. Oh, I hear it. It's right there, I see it. You gotta cut it open a little more to the left, Jeremy.
This way? Okay.
Just go to that seam. Check it out, guys. 1/2-inch copper pipe leaking in this block wall, and it's absolutely amazing that there's not any water on the floor down here, and that this whole room is not flooded out. Unbelievable. See how dry this floor is? I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but the floor is super, super, super dry. And then right here, hiding inside the wall, is a copper pipe spraying that much. Unbelievable. Another one found. Catch you guys on the next one.